In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically number equations in Microsoft Word. If you work with math or technical documents, keeping equation numbers consistent can save a lot of time. Here's a clear, reliable way to do it using Word's built-in caption feature, so your numbers stay accurate even when you add, remove, or rearrange equations. Start by clicking the equation you want to number. If you haven't inserted it yet, you can add one by going to the Insert tab and choosing Equation, or by using the keyboard shortcut, Alt plus equals. Once your equation is in place, make sure your cursor is within that equation, so Word knows which item you're labeling. Next, head to the References tab and click Insert Caption. This opens a small dialog box where you tell Word how to label the item. In the Label menu, choose Equation. If you don't see equation listed, you can create a new label with that name so your numbering uses the correct tag. This label is what Word will track as it assigns and updates the numbers across your document. Before confirming, select Numbering to set how the numbers should look. If your document is organized into numbered chapters and you want equation numbers to include the chapter number, check Include Chapter Number. This makes numbers appear like 2, 3 for the third equation in Chapter 2. If you're not using chapters, simply leave that unchecked, and Word will number the equations sequentially. Click OK to return to the caption dialog. Now click OK to insert the caption. Word will add a number for the equation, typically formatted like parentheses around a number, such as 1 or 2. The exact appearance depends on your caption settings and style, but the key is that it's a field that updates automatically whenever the list changes. Repeat the same process for your other equations. Click each equation, use Insert Caption with the equation label, and let Word assign the next number. You don't need to manage the sequence yourself. If you later edit the document, maybe you delete an equation or move one to a different section, update the numbering everywhere in one step. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then press F9 to update all fields. Word will refresh the equation numbers so they stay in order and reflect any changes. That's it. With Captions, your equation numbering is consistent, professional, and easy to maintain.